Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today we're going to show you a super simple trick, how to unblock contacts on your iPhone.
Alright, let's dive right in.
First things first, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Now you're going to scroll down, almost to the very bottom, until you see Phone. Tap on that. Okay, you're in the phone settings now. Scroll down again, and you'll see an option labeled Blocked Contacts. Go ahead and tap that. Here's where you'll find a list of all the contacts you've currently blocked. To unblock someone, simply swipe left on their name. A red Unblock button will appear. Tap it and boom. They're removed from your blocked list. Now, you can exit out of the Settings app. The next time you open your Contacts or Phone app and find that person, scroll down to the bottom of their contact card. You'll see that the Block This Caller option is no longer there, which means you're free to call, text, or FaceTime them just like before. And that's all there is to it.
Super easy, right?
This was just from our personal experience, but we hope it helps you out. All the best and useful resources will be linked down below. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.